and my friend love to learn. We are happy when we learn. I and my friend love to learn. We are happy every time. I and my friend.
Hello, Manzi. What are you doing?
I am watering my candy plantation. I am going to be the biggest candy seller in Rumuli.
What? A candy plantation?
Wow, that is amazing.
Manzi, I'm not sure you can grow candies from the ground.
Yes, you can. I saw your dad planting orange seeds and they grew into orange trees. So I'm doing the same with candies.
Okay. When is the harvest?
I am not sure. I've been waiting for a long time, but nothing is growing.
Maybe something is wrong. Let's go ask Dad for advice. Dad, how long does it take to harvest candies?
Candies?
Yes, I'm growing my own candy garden.
No, kids. Candies are not grown. They are made.
See, I told you.
But if candies are made, how can I make them?
Candies are made from sugar mixed with fruits, milk, or water. To make candy, we mix sugar, milk, and fruits in a container. The mixture is heated to make a big candy. Finally, the big piece of candy is cut into small pieces. Ta-da!
I know where all those materials come from. Sugar is produced from sugarcane, milk from cows, and fruits are grown in the garden.
You are right, Keza. There are two kinds of materials, the natural materials and the artificial materials.
Do natural materials come from nature?
Yes, Gaju. Natural materials are found in nature, like plants, animals, and soil. For example, these oranges are natural materials.
Oh, is this rock a natural material too?
Yes, Manzi, it is.
And these sugarcanes are natural materials too.
What about milk?
Milk comes from cows, so it is natural. What other natural materials can you see?
Water!
Trees!
A hoe!
A hoe is an artificial material.
Artificial material?
Where do artificial materials come from?
Artificial materials are products made by people using natural materials. For example, look at that hoe. Its handle is made of wood that comes from a tree. And the bottom part is made of metal.
Who can make artificial materials?
Anyone can make them. But if you want many pieces, you have to go to the factory.
I have never seen a factory.
Really? Let's go on a trip then.
Yay! Let's go!
Wow! This is so big.
This is the beverage room.
Look, they are making juice from oranges.
Delicious.
What materials were used to make this sofa?
This sofa is made out of wood, a mattress, and a leather cloth.
Oh, wow!
Look! They are making a car. Wow, this is incredible.
The tires are made out of rubber.
And the doors are made out of metal.
Brilliant, you're all correct. I'm pretty sure you're going to like the next room even better.
Yes, the candy room!
This is the candy machine. It produces different types of candies.
Look, there are many flavors you can choose from.
I'm going to make a strawberry candy. Yummy!
My turn. I'm going to make a banana candy. Wow! I think my lollipop is the best.
This was fun. We have learned a lot.
I now know what I'm going to do when I grow up.
What is that?
I am going to have my own candy factory. Free candies forever!
Free candies forever!
Quiz time! Yes!
Let's play again. Round 1. We need to put these objects into the right boxes. Is a lollipop natural or artificial material?
It is an artificial material.
Correct! Is a chair a natural or artificial material?
It is also an artificial material.
Correct!
The orange and the rock are both natural materials.
That is correct. Now, let's do round 2. Let's match the products on the left with the materials they are made from on the right.
A car is made out of metal and its tires are made out of rubber.
Correct!
A lollipop is made out of fruits and milk.
That is correct! And finally, a sofa is made out of wood, a mattress, and a leather.
Yay!